Hi everyone, I'm Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to make this sweet little upcycled coffee can vase. It's really easy. You probably have everything around the house, so let's get started. All right, so to make your upcycled coffee tin flower vase, you obviously will need a coffee tin. This one I just stole out of the kitchen and pulled the paper wrapper off. If it is a painted can, don't worry about it. We're going to cover it up. Clean it out really well and dry it off. I have a piece of pretty ribbon that is long enough to go all the way around. I am going to embellish my ribbon here with a little bit of this paper tape or washi tape. I have some tacky glue and scissors, and of course, some duct tape. This duct tape happens to be bubblegum scented, so this is fun. It will make your project smell good for a long time. So just all we're going to do is cover this coffee tin with duct tape. It couldn't be easier. I'm going to leave this little lip untaped. I like the little shiny bit there. And just take your time to make sure you don't get any wrinkles as you go. So I was able to pull that up. There we go. And just press as you go around. Oh boy, this is very sticky tape today. There we go. And then when you get all the way around, just cut it off and start again on the new row. Overlap it just a little bit. Go. Give it a cut. Whoop, there it goes. So you see there? And I left that little lip there because I think it's pretty. So I'm going to repeat that. It looks like I will be able to do that a total of 3 times, should cover it. And when we come back, I'll show you how to finish this up. All right, so I have covered my tin with the duct tape and I've pressed it down really well. You can stop there if you'd like, but because this is going to be a gift for something like Easter or Mother's Day, we should make it a little special. So what I'm going to do is I've got this really pretty ribbon that I picked up at the craft store, and it's actually a double layer ribbon. It has some burlap and lace, but I wanted to give it something a little more color. And I have this pretty paper tape here, and it sticks really well, surprisingly, to the lace down the middle. So what I'm doing is as I put it down, I'm just stretching it a little bit, and that kind of helps the adhesive stick. There we go. And then just tear it right off there at the end. All right, so now I have this beautiful triple colored ribbon. And I want to put it around my vase. So what I'm going to suggest is you find where your seams are for your tape, and that will also be your seam for your ribbon. So this will have a backside. And you'll just wrap that around, make sure it fits. There you go. Looks very nice. So in order to get it to stick, we're just going to use some tacky glue. Any white glue will do. And make sure you do a bunch at the end. I just do a strip down the middle. That seems to be enough. And again, a bunch at the end. There we go. Stay. And then I just set that down right on that seam in the back and smooth it around. There we go. And make sure all your lines line up. Make sure it's nice and straight. And then just hold it for a second. You don't need to hold it for long. If you want to, you can use hot glue. There you go. So let this dry for a few hours. Fill it with some water and some pretty flowers, and it's a great gift. There you go. That is your upcycled coffee tin vase. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and we'll see you guys next time.